Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use Ventoy, your one-stop tool that can boot over 1000 plus ISOs including Windows, Linux, and antivirus ISOs. It can boot IMG and WIM files as well. You can install it on flash drives, hard drives, or SSD. Ventoy works on Linux and Windows. Without further delay, let's get started. This is the main UI where you will see the connected devices and the status. Next you have Ventoy version currently installed on the disk and the package along with format type and partition style. By default, it uses exFAT format with MBR. Under Options, you have option to enable or disable secure boot. You can confirm if the setting is active or not by checking the padlock in the main UI. You can switch partition style from MBR or GPT and the same will be shown in the UI. If you want to have a fresh start, you can use Clear Ventoy to delete all partitions and format the drive. By clicking on Install button, it will prompt you to type yes in caps to create necessary partitions, whereas typing no will cancel the installation. You can add ISOs, IMGs, WIM files to Ventoy partition and it can boot them in legacy or secure boot modes. If you want to update from older to newer version, you can click on Update to upgrade Ventoy version in the drive to the package version. It should take only couple of seconds to finish the process. Let's open up Disk Management and see partitions created by Ventoy. First you have Ventoy followed by EFI, which has Grub or Windows bootloaders. I created an extra partition by tweaking the partition configuration that can add some free space at the end of the drive. If you want to switch to specific localization, you can choose from the wide list of languages. In case you want to create Ventoy drives using HDD or SSD, you need to enable Show All Devices under Options, which will enable non-destructive installation that preserves HDD or SSD contents. You can customize Ventoy settings by running plug_sun file to tweak menu entry styles, bypass Windows 11 requirements and lot more. I will run at default settings. Let's do a test run to see if Ventoy boots properly using VirtualBox. Let's add the minimal config needed for Ventoy to boot properly. I will test some ISOs randomly, such as antivirus, RAM test, and Windows 11. It seems all are good. With this we have reached the end of the video. Do share your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section, and if you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again to all my subscribers and the community for your continued support.